Welcome to the DBPOWER product review today. Okay, so again we have another new very stylish projector from DBPOWER. Okay, so this time, as you can see, it is a very stylish projector. Okay, so this is a projector which is produced by DBPOWER. Okay, I will introduce you the function. Okay, it has a 2600 lumen. Okay, and the resolution is 800 by 480 ratio. Okay, and it can project the distance from 1.2 to 6 meter. Okay, and also it can be used up to 20,000 hours of lifespan, which is very good for the service. Okay, and this projector was produced a light beam through LED light. Okay, so this is a very energy saver. Okay, and it has a contrast ratio of 2000 by 1, and then the operation is so silent. Okay, it has a lower noise produce of noise. Okay, and then you need to wait for 5 seconds before the projector start up. Okay, so now I will introduce you the parts and the function on the surface. Okay, or the adjustment. Okay, so this is a focus function over here. Okay, before you start, you just make sure to remove this rubber cover. As you can see, it has a very good lens, large and wide lens. Okay, just simply adjust the focus here. Okay, so that your display projection will be clear on the screen. Okay, and at the back you can see the complete input slots over here. It supports 2 USB. Okay, it has also a 2 HDMI port. This slot is for TV antenna analog. It has a VGA connection for the computer. Okay, so this 3 input is for video correction. Okay, the color correction. This input is for audio and video. Okay, it has a left input, right input audio, and it has a right output and left output for the audio. Okay, so this button over here, this like its knob. Okay, this is a keystone correction, which you can adjust the angle display on the screen. Okay, what you can see here is a small speaker, which is you can easily and quickly hear what the voice from the video. Okay, this is a power slots over here, and it has a fuse inside when you pulled out this cover. Okay, so the button menu is also complete function. Okay, you need to press the source button, what device you need to play, and select the accurate device that you want to play for the video. Okay, this is the menu adjustment over here. Okay, the volume decrease, the volume increase. Okay, the channel selection over here in terms when you are using a television, and the channel selection decrease over here. Also, it has a power button over here and the infrared sensor for the remote control. Also, it has an infrared sensor at the front here, so that you can easily control when you are in front of the projector. Okay, also the projector is consist of overheating exhaust holes and every parts of the site. Okay, and I would like also to introduce the remote control. Okay, if you confuse how to use the remote control, you can refer to our video on YouTube, because we have a review there about our remote control, the DBPOWER for a remote control projector, and then you can refer also for our user's manual. Okay, so now I will show you how to install the power cord into the power slots of this DBPOWER projector. Okay, so here you just simply push it in. Okay, and then this is the power for the power outlet. Okay, and this time how you can install the portable device. Okay, portable storage. Okay, if you use a USB, you want to play the USB with this projector, you just simply installed here, USB 1. Okay, after you connect it to the power source, you can see the red button. It has a red LED light. Encourage you that the power is ready. Okay, so now as you can see, we already installed the USB stick to this projector, and then we select the source and play the USB, okay, mode. And then as you can see, it is playing already the video there. Okay, that's a higher resolution. It was projected on the wall. Okay. Okay, so we are happy to introduce you today, and then I hope you enjoy our video. If you like this projector, you can visit our online store. You can find a link below. You just check it, and then have a good day and bye.